Alright folks, I am back out again. We are heading out, go dig some bottles again. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Got a whole bunch of gear today. I got a couple probes, smaller probes. That large probe hasn't been working out too well for me. I think it's a little too thick to get down into the soil, so I got some small ones. Screwdriver and a real skinny piece of steel. It's pretty long. Trying to feel for some bottles. Got a big root saw, got a small root saw, and we got a detector. So, I'm gonna head out there. It's gonna be very hot today, pushing about 100 probably. But gorgeous day. The woods are looking beautiful today. So, we got maybe like a quarter mile to walk. We'll head on in there and see any cool wildlife. I'll definitely show you that. But other than that, we'll get out there and see what we can find today. It's gonna be a good day. I have a good feeling, hopefully. Let's get at her. Could see where some sort of animal has been digging around here looking for stuff. I don't know if it was birds or what. Actually, it might be deer. I see a bunch of deer hooves in here. You see that a lot. Yeah, there's another deer track. So, deer were definitely digging for something. Alright folks, back in here digging. This is all the stuff I've dug so far up. Just some pieces of glass. That is some sort of old juice glass. A screw top. That's either a bone or lead. I can't quite tell right now. It's very mucky, and a brick. And I'm just continuing in here. Cutting down with the root saw and popping up glass and just listening for the bigger pieces. There's some iron. Just a lot of little bits of glass, and the mosquitoes are terrible. This is where we were bottle digging last time. So I will keep you posted. Hoping to come up with some more stuff. So I didn't finish this spot last time. Got the edge of another bottle down here. I think it's broken. But, oh yeah, it's a medicine bottle. With a broken neck and it's freaking embossed. Oh no. McCannon and Company, Winona, Minnesota. You know what? I found another one of these exactly like this, and the neck was broken off. I really hope I didn't break it, Although if I did, I should be able to find the cork, which there's part of it right there. Although that is not all of it. Alright, I'm definitely going to search for the other pieces of these glass. The glass of that neck. Alright, I'll get back with you. Nope, I can't find any more of the neck. Although we do have some of it. McCann and Company, Winona, Minnesota. That's the second one of these I've found here. I'm gonna dig around some more glass here. I don't know if I broke that or not. No, that's not glass, that is iron. Yeah, I'll get back with you if I find anything else. Just chunks of iron. So, I just had a really nice long, like 2-minute clip of me finding this bottle, us digging it out together, pulling it up and investigating it. So, I'm not going to recreate it, but I will show you. It was up in here. I had hit it really hard with a shovel, dug it back, pulled it up. Oh, that's like a cork top jar. And then I flipped it over. Oh wow. That says Heinz. H.J. Heinz Company 351 patented. So that's pretty cool. That's like a cork top Heinz jar. And it's got a number 2 on it. It's pretty crude though. You can see it's got, I don't think that's cracking on it. I think it's just like weird. I don't quite know. But, had a paper label. It's a Heinz number 2 jar and it used a cork. Which is pretty cool. Cork top Heinz bottle. Gotta love it. I've been digging around in here more too. I found a piece of coal as well right there. Some unburnt coal. So they had a coal stove or something here. A lot of coal, a lot of slate. Get back at it. Time for a wrap up. Here's our 3 keepers right here. We got the McCann Company cork top bottle that I found half of the top to. We got the Heinz cork top, embossing on the bottom. And we got the bromo seltzer bottle. Emerson Drug Company bromo seltzer. That's pretty cool right there. So, we did fairly well. 3 complete bottles out of the deal, and I am exhausted. Let's get the heck out of here. A rough day. This is pretty cool here. You see, this little critter here had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers like this. So he had opposable thumbs. It's not like a cat or a dog where their other appendage is down here, like on their wrist, like a cat or a dog. So, you know, it's like a raccoon or like a possum or something like that that has opposable thumbs. But you can see him right there. Ooh, butterfly. So, cool little thing when looking at tracks to figure out what they are. I don't know, I can't tell exactly what that is, but a lot of times I know people that sell raccoons, and they always leave a claw on the meat so they can tell that it's a raccoon or something like that, and it's not just like some hunk of meat that they just picked up, so they see that it's got the opposable thumbs on there. Just a little tip. Bullfrog. There's a swamp in there, so there's a bunch of frogs. Big old bullfrogs in there. There we go, now you can see it. It's a swamp. Whole bunch of nice frogs in there. Be a nice place to go looking for frogs. Eat some frog legs. I don't know if you've ever had frog legs before, but they are delicious. I love frog legs. I am in one heck of a state today. Filthy. Disgustingly filthy. It didn't rain today. Just soaked. Oh man. I gotta get out here. I've drank 3 bottles of water and that's all I brought. So I gotta get out of here. When I run out of water, that's cue to leave. Thanks for watching. I didn't do a very sincere farewell in the last clip. Way too exhausted. But thank you for watching. We found some cool stuff today. Sorry we didn't get a chance to detect, but found some bottles. Oh, turkey feather. Got to see a little bit of wildlife. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next.